never heard a train make that sound before. Like, woo, woo, woo. Yeah, it's coming from over there. No. I think if it was a train, it would be over there by now, and you'd start hearing it over there, but it's just coming from over there.